Okay. Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I am Atri and I make videos related to makeup, beauty, fashion sometimes, and also reviews, a lot of reviews. I make a lot of reviews on skincare, makeup and every other thing. So make sure if this is something which interests you, make sure to subscribe, like, and now without any further ado, let's get started. So by the title you know this video is all about the review, not review actually, haul what I shopped from my recent discovery, that is Minimalist. Now everybody is talking about Minimalist, so I also thought of giving this product a try, this brand a try. Actually I saw, सबसे पहले तो I saw Shreya Jain talking about this particular brand, then I also saw Shivi. So I thought, getting these products for myself. I have got two products and mind you, I am using them. So this is not a review video. This is just a haul which I have got from Minimalist. So सबसे पहली जो चीज़ है जो मैंने ली है, that is Minimalist Retinol 2%. Now which everybody is talking about is the packaging, that the packaging is complete rip off of Ordinary. So I don't have Ordinary, तो मैं ये तो नहीं बता पाऊंगी that it is similar to them or not, but what I can see is that yes, the copy it is a copy, but then please don't go so much harsh on this particular brand. So yesterday only I was seeing a Shreya Jain's story on Instagram where she was saying that, of course I also agree with her, that it is Makeup Revolution that has very first copied the packaging of this Ordinary brand, and Makeup Revolution does that in every other thing, like in their palettes also, but they are never being called up. So why are we bashing this particular brand? Like, we should not bash them too much. I agree that whatever they have done, that's not ethical, that's not good, whatever the reason may be, because you don't want to be a copy of someone. And being an Indian brand, I want to give them a benefit of doubt, and I really want that they take this feedback in a good sense and they revamp their packaging. I know that is going to be hard because they're a new brand, everything goes so much into this particular like growth of the brand, and uski packaging, uski sab kuch. So I know they're going to take some time, and yeah, let's see what I got. तो सबसे पहले तो मैंने रेटिनॉल लिया था 2%, because मैं एक रेटिनॉल ढूंढ रही हूँ which will work for my skin, because retinol, I'm very scared of retinol. मैंने कुछ brands के retinol use किए हैं, but they didn't work on me, so I don't use them. तो inner packaging जो है वो कुछ इस तरीके की है, if you can see. या तो I don't know, जो इसका कलर है ना, इसका कलर एक मिल्की creamy consistency है, and this is not yeah, if you can see, it has some type of color to it because it is creamy in nature. So yeah, if you can see, packaging तो बिल्कुल ही वैसी है. Now let me tell you what all it has. So it does not have any fragrance, it does not have any silicone, no paraben, no essential oils, no dyes, no sulfates. That I know that they don't have any fragrance in their this skincare line. So yeah, and retinol is used because it helps us to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and also this retails for 699 rupees and you are getting 30 ml of product. Okay, and all the things are written over here. So let me just tell you what all they have written here. They have transparent dosage, grades, formulation and claims, and yeah, they say that this is clinically formulated. Now yeah, so now coming to the packaging, थोड़ी सी पैकेजिंग में मुझे ये लगा that the pump is not functional, pump does not work very well, and so, and this product within if you are opening this product, you have to use this product within 4 months, because it is written over here, and this is vegan and this is not tested on animals like I told you, and yeah, that's about it. And if this packaging is intact, you have only 1 year of using this particular product. Okay, but if you have opened it, so you have to use it within 4 months. It is written over here. तो पैकेजिंग में पंप थोड़ा काम नहीं करता. एंड वन मोर थिंग गाइज, इफ़ यू आर समवन हु इज़ बिलो 25, या अगर आप 25 के भी हो, आई वुड नेवर सजेस्ट रेटिनॉल टू यू गाइज. एंड इफ़ यू आर अ टीनेजर, प्लीज़ रेटिनॉल तो अपने लिए यूज़ भी मत करना. I'm going to be 30, so I can use retinol, because हाँ 30 plus 30s में जो आ जाएंगे या late 20s में जो है, they can give this product a try. But if you're a teenager या 20-21 साल के हो, this product is not for you. Please stay away from this product. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट जो मैंने लिया था वो है ये hyaluronic acid, 2% hyaluronic acid. Now I am someone who is very very oily skin type, तो मैं hyaluronic acid ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करती, but I really wanted to use this for the very first time. Now it has 2% of hyaluronic acid. Everything else is similar to that particular retinol serum, like all the expiry date and कितने दिन तक आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हो. It retails for 599 for 30 ml of product. अगेन इसमें कोई सिलिकॉन नहीं है, फ्रेग्रेंस नहीं है, पैराबेन नहीं है, डाई नहीं है, सल्फेट नहीं है. Now when we are going to open this, so this is how it looks like. ठीक है, this is very very clear. It is actually clear. ठीक है, and if you can see I have already started using it. And इसमें B5 भी है. Again the pump is not working, तो थोड़ा सा मुझे इसका इशू है, बिल्कुल वर्क नहीं कर रहा पम्प. So yeah, hyaluronic acid is something, if you have dry skin, even if you are having oily skin, if you want to give moisture back to your skin, this is going to do that. And I have also done that test जिसमें hyaluronic acid मैंने लगाया, फिर पानी लगाया, and it has done an immensely good job क्योंकि इसने पानी को hold किया. Hyaluronic acid का काम ही यही होता है that locks the moisture in your face. It does not make the moisture go away from your face. So this is very good for people having dry skin, even oily skin. I am oily, I use it. Yeah, it is sticky, little bit तो sticky है, मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी कि sticky नहीं है, gooey है थोड़ा सा. And I have seen many other people reviewing it, तो उन्होंने बोला कि उनको दाने हो गए इससे, but I didn't face any problem. And if you can see, I have applied hyaluronic acid here. Yeah, and it is a little bit sticky, but then after some time it just gets into my skin. And also one more thing, that if you are oily skin, don't use too much, just use 1 or 2 drops. If you are dry skin, you can use 3 to 4 drops. And I can use it in the morning as well, because I don't feel sweaty after using this. So this I think is really really good. Like I feel that this is really really good. I like it. ठीक है, right now I am using it. I will make a in-depth review on this particular product, so आपको पता चले कि what I am talking about. But I have been using this particular product since 7 days, so that's why I know that this is working fine for my skin, but I need to try them more. So this is a haul video, not a review video. Do not confuse this with a review video. Now hyaluronic acid can be used by teenager because it is formulated in such a way that it is just giving the moisture back to your skin. So teenagers can use it, but I'll still recommend that use these type of products after 19 years of age, okay? Because right now if you are below 19, that means you are in a phase that you are still a child, okay? So उस time पे do not use these things. I would recommend if you are in your 20s, early 20s, so then you can use hyaluronic acid. Retinol only for people who are in their late 20s, that means 28, 29, 30 इस time पे, okay? Guys, that is about it. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'm going to tell my honest opinion on these products very very soon, so stay tuned for that on my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. And wait, there is a giveaway which I am doing in this particular video. So 2 of you is going to get hampers, not hampers, I will say coupons of Nykaa of 500 each, so you can go and buy whatever you feel like on Nykaa. But it is only on Nykaa, so yeah, that will only work on Nykaa. So yeah, participate in this giveaway. कुछ नहीं करना आपको, just leave your name, follow me on Instagram, and don't DM me regarding this giveaway because I know this is a very very short giveaway. तो बहुत छोटा giveaway है, but yeah, I just feel कि this is how I am going to give my love back to you. So yeah, in fact अगर मैं 10,000 पे पहुँचती हूँ, then I am going to host a good big giveaway. But right now this is it which I am going to do. 2 winners, 500 each, vouchers from Nykaa. So guys, that is about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know your participation in the comment box below. Do not DM me regarding the giveaway. So yeah, that's about it. And if you are someone who is just following for me for giveaway, so please don't do that, okay? That's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care.